Been a hard day, but let's see what we can do with this guy today.
Okay, let's start by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl, and we'll give them a quick little whisk, and then we'll go ahead and set them aside. Now we've got our breadcrumbs, which we're going to spice up and then give a good solid mix to, and we'll set those aside as well. Here's a little addition. We've all got those bags of chips where you've got the ones that are all crushed and broken in smaller pieces. Well, put a piece of parchment paper on top and then really crush them. You're gonna get them into small little pieces and mix those right in together. And of course, we need to add a little bit more of our spice mixture, and then we'll give these a really good mix as well. We're also gonna season up our flour with salt, pepper, and a little bit more of our spice mixture. You can use anything: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano, thyme, your choice. Okay, let's also now carve up our chicken. I got this whole chicken on sale. If you can't find a whole chicken, you can certainly get drumsticks, thighs, boneless, bone-in, chicken breast. Your choice, your desire. But I'm gonna go ahead and chop this one up. Okay, I've got everything separated: the wings, the thighs, the drumsticks, and the breasts. I've also sliced those down into smaller pieces. Now we'll make sure that our chicken is completely coated in our flour mixture. We'll take it and give it a bath in that egg wash, and just make sure you drip the excess off. And then over into our bowl of chips and crumbs. Really roll that around and make sure everything is coated. If you have any pieces that don't have any of the coating, just give that another little mix. We'll go on, we'll do another piece for you and show you again. There we go. Splash it everywhere. Now we're gonna have some good crunch on our chicken. I was a little pressed for time tonight, and truthfully, I just didn't have the energy, so I took the easier way out and I used my air fryer. In they go. We'll set that time. I start on a high heat and then I reduce it down.
Oh boy, those look delicious.
When I opened the door of the air fryer and removed these, the smell of those spices just took me by storm. This smells delicious and it tasted even better.
I'm so looking forward to this comfort food. This is a quick recipe of air fried chicken. This smells absolutely delicious. Fried chicken and crushed chips. This is seasoned with my ready-made spice. I'm trying this one out. I don't know what it is. I've got some Frank's Red Hot, of course, some dip, but I'm going right in on this first. Let's see how it is. Boom! Oh, look. This tastes delicious with the crushed chips in there too. This is amazing. This is amazing. This took no time at all to prepare. Try this out, guys. This is fantastic. Uncle Drew, out. Let's get some Frank's Red Hot. So good. I still have the other half cooking. Look at that. I hope you can see that. That light, pretty bright. Check that out. Look at that. That is fantastic. So I did it in the air fryer tonight because I had too much going on. I'll do another batch where I'll fry it for you. This is amazing. I almost messed the whole meal up. Oh, you need that. This is so good. So good. I don't know which one I'm gonna eat next, but delicious. Wow. I'm gonna take down one of these drumsticks. Yeah. Yeah, look at that drumstick. Look at the drum. This is incredible. Let's get right in it. This is amazing. Probably only like 200-300 of you are gonna see the video, but it's incredible. I think 50,000 should see this, 100,000, 1 million. Look at that. Look. This is incredible. Doesn't need any sauce or extra dip or anything. The seasoning is fantastic. How fast I took that down. Boom.